design this beautiful cover in a step-by-step PowerPoint. First step, draw a rectangle and cover completely your slide. Then insert another shape, diamond. Draw a diamond and duplicate it. Select all of them, group them, and duplicate them again. Ungroup all these diamonds. Select all shapes that is in your slide. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape, and select Fragment. Delete all parts that they are out of your slide. Select the first rectangle that you draw. Change its color to white. Select all these shapes and remove their outline. Select the first diamond that you want and go to Picture and Texture Fill. Insert your picture. Do it for all shapes that you want, and instead of this one, put it in black. Select all the shapes that is around your slide. Put all of them in black. Select the other diamond and change it to the picture that you want. All of your picture, select them and add shadow effect. Go to Format Picture, select Effects and go to Effect, Shadow Effect and choose Center inside shadows. Change the blur size and some transparency. And then add a text box here and write your title. For adding animation, select this picture, go to the Animation tab and choose Zoom Animation. By selection pane, start it with Previous. Select the picture that you added animation to it. Go to here, Animation Painter, click on this, and then click Other Picture. By this tool, you can add animation to your picture without effort. Group your text in these shapes first and choose Grow and Turn Animation to it. Okay, change the sort of this animation in Animation randomly. Put the time of this animations, all these pictures to 0.71, and after that use this animation. You can add fade animation to them, and also this one you can add fade animation to them and start them after previous or with previous. And then for this group you can add show and grow and start it with previous with a time of 1 second. And now it's time to see what's happened. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.